Hi there, and welcome to One-on-One. I'm Eric Gertis. I'm here with Kelly Fish. She's a CDW Enterprise Storage Specialist. Today we're going to be talking about thin provisioning and how it can benefit your business. Kelly, we know the amount of incoming data is increasing at an alarming rate, and it's pushing the limits of manageability. As a result, IT departments really need to improve their storage capacity and its functionality. Storage area networks are an obvious place to start, but what other technologies should IT folk consider?
Once you have the SAN in place, one of the best things to do is to utilize the software that typically comes on the SAN. Thin provisioning is a great feature to use in any business. Number one, it's going to optimize your storage utilization. Number two, it's going to improve your performance time. And number three, it's really going to have an impact on your bottom line because of those two first points.
Knowing people only pay for what they need is a key benefit. But in addition to the cost savings, what are some of the other benefits people can expect from thin provisioning?
Once you're paying for what you only need, you're also only managing what you currently have, instead of worrying about what your environment is going to look like 6 months, 18 months down the line. With thin provisioning, it really gives the IT administrator the ability to worry about what they have in front of them.
Kelly, we know CDW has partnerships with the leading storage vendors in the industry, but beyond just providing people with the right products, how else can CDW help with a storage solution?
The nice thing about CDW is that you're really getting a guided perspective from your account manager. When you call in with a problem, they're going to say, well, who should I engage in this opportunity? Who is going to get this question answered for my customer? Behind every account manager, we've got a category specialist. So for myself, I focus on storage. For other problems, they might engage security or telephony. When they engage me in a storage environment, I'll ask them some questions, figure out if we need to assess what they currently have, talk about kind of building a config and making sure that config actually fixes the problem that they currently have. After that, we'll do the design and the implementation, and even if they get to the next level, once that SAN is in place and they want to have some DR, we have hosted and managed services.
Thanks, Kelly, for sharing your time and expertise with us today. And that concludes this segment of One-on-One. Thanks for joining us. This segment of One-on-One was sponsored by HP.